Alright, what's up guys? So I want to talk about the price action on Friday and the two trades I took, and then how I was set up everything for my two trades, because I think there were perfect entries and perfect time to enter on the macro time. So let me go over that. So what do we have first on 8:30? So news, right? And I made a video, what is data highs and data lows. I think if you don't know what is data highs and data lows, let me explain right here real quick. So I thought we always have high impact news, which is a red folder and forest factory that count, right? So what I do is mark out data highs and data lows. Price needs to take both of them before moving anything anywhere. Sometimes we only take one and then we take the other one probably 3 days, a week later, but they needs to be taken out. Sometimes we can have days like today, we take it up and then down. So let me go that. So how do you know my bias to take the trade? My first trade was on this fair value gap, bullish one. So the first thing I see at 9 o'clock is like I see price that is being respected in this fair value gap. It's not being disrespected. So like, okay, that's the first bias. I got, data highs and data lows. So I see price is like accumulating here and it's standing here, right? Once I get close to 928, I see that, okay, let me see where is GoldBach. So to show you guys GoldBach, I gotta go back on time, right? So let me go right here. And the first thing I see is that my extension line is here, right? And my low is here. So this is my discount, and I see that price is being respected. Already grabbed liquidity right here, and it's been holding this fair value gap. And as I told you guys to use GoldBach is to always take entries on low and extension line, but not every single one. It has to be a confluence there. My confluence here is this fair value gap on the 1 minute, right? So once I see that, right, I want to see this being respected, right? It got disrespected here, but I want to see how we're gonna react over here at 9:30. So, let me play it out for you guys. Once I saw this, I entry around here because I know it was bullish all the way to data highs. That's basically what I TP. Let me show you guys. So once I see this confirmation right here, right, I know it's time to long, right? So I immediately just press open market, 5 contracts, sell 4, and then sell 1 over here. Enough money, $300. So you guys can see it. I took it right here, exit 4 here, and then exit 1 over here. 180 ticks, 200 something, whatever it is, I don't care. And now I see the price is respecting this, right? I want to see what it's going to do. So we already know that we already took data highs, right? Once we take data highs, I want to see what price is going to do. So I have to wait for the next macro time, right? I'm out of my trade from 9:30 to 9:38, basically. What I'm gonna do now is just wait, right, to 10 a.m. because that's where the 4-hour candle is closing. It hasn't closed yet, so I want to see what we're gonna do there. Really do data highs, that's buy solid liquidity. I want to see a bearish for value gap or a bullish for value gap to invert so I can take shorts, right? So then like I wait for price to do something, right? And I see that it's been accumulating on here, right? So I know price is being respecting my level. So once I see that, I get my first, let me go back because I was way too fast. So once I spot this fair value gap right here, bearish one, we're being accumulating, right? We expand. Now I want to aim for my data lows right here. So what I did was basically, let me go slow, is I entered right here. Immediately I entered right here in this wick. Let me go right here, right there. I entered in this one before 10 a.m. because I knew price was gonna dump and I know this was gonna invert. So I was taking the risk over here because you guys can see if I look here and here and here, this still bullish for value gap, right? Because it hasn't closed below. But I trust myself and I say like, hey, we're gonna invert it and I don't wanna miss this movement. Because I know some people took here and I know I wanna risk my stop loss 129 ticks in my second account. 5 contracts, close 4 here and close 1 over here. And as soon as, you know, I enter 1 minute later, it just like, it dumps. Makes $780 in seconds. So you guys can see that it dumps. Let me turn off this. It dumps to data lows. So what do we have the more right there? Too damn simple. Data highs, data lows. Bearish, bullish for value gap inverts, but inverts at 10 a.m. So it's so hard to catch this. I just knew my confluence on this trade was basically, a GoldBach is being respected here, right? GoldBach is being respected here, right? And also extension line, right? So, and then we have the first bearish for value gap at the highs after data highs. So this 1, 2, 3 confluence, that price is bearish right here. So and then like my second confirmation was this, but I took the risk to take it before that because I know it was gonna go lower. So that's why my stop loss was kind of huge, because I know they were news, but they were not having impact news. I didn't expect this movement that aggressive, but and then that's basically what happened. We went all the way down there. So yep, that's what it is. But I closed everything here. I catch basically 340, yeah, 400 something. Yep. And that was the whole trade, and I can show you guys. That was the whole trade right here. Let me go right here. You can see it. Took it in this wick, and then I'm glad I took it here because it was 5 seconds before 10 a.m. So 10 a.m. is this candle, and it just, you see guys, I got me out. Like it was 1 second out. 1 second, I was completely out. I was in shock. I literally looked this, it says 4:15, and then it just closed. So yeah, that was the whole trade. Make hella money. That was the fastest $780 I ever made. But then that was the whole setup. And then you guys can see I use GoldBach here. I use GoldBach here. It clearance right here. And it's inverting on this. This is my premium. This is my discount. And then we break this structure going to data lows. Too damn simple. Make it simple. Don't even need GoldBach. Don't even need GoldBach here. But GoldBach is there just to help me that confluence, that extra confluence to take huge trades like this. Because GoldBach is here and GoldBach is here. So I know, but if I'm looking this for value gap, it's, hey, we're still bullish because we're aiming for this. Once I see price is like going lower, right? First for value gap, and then we invert this one. There's your second confluence. You don't even need GoldBach sometimes, but GoldBach is there just to tell you the exact point to make this model even better. So yeah, that was the whole trade. And any questions, you guys let me know.